Hello everyone, my name is Ahmed and I am making this video because I was getting lot of questions regarding the courses, their outline and timings. So I decided to make a quick video in which I can tell you about the details of the courses and how they will be working and how you can learn from these courses. So the video will be divided into following parts. It's a small video, don't worry, I will not be taking you much time. I will be telling you about my team, myself, about the courses, their outlines, how these courses will work and how you can learn from these courses and what you can do if you have a certain question to ask. So let's start. As far as I am concerned, I will be trying to teach you few things regarding these courses in the next few weeks. My name is Ahmed Bilal and I am a teacher. I have been teaching at university level for like past 8 to 10 years. I am also a freelancer and I have been associated with freelancing industry like for last 3-4 years or maybe a little bit more. I also manage an animal shelter house where we rescue stray cases of animals, and then I am trying to open a school for people or students who are not much privileged, so we can provide them education there. If you like, you can see my profile on Instagram, ahmedbilal.engineer. Also, I am managing a page or group regarding to health and diet on Facebook, namely Low Carb Life. I will be giving the links of both these courses in the below description area. If you like, you can go and watch it as well. The other team members of this platform are amazing. They will be introducing themselves to you in a while. However, at the moment we will be discussing about the courses. So at the moment for batch 10 we will be offering 3 courses. The Python course is not being offered this time. So the courses are social media management, Adobe Photoshop, search engine optimization and WordPress. So let's see what we are offering in these courses. So the very first course is social media management, which will be of around 10 to 12 classes. And this course has been designed after looking at the particular requirements that people are asking on Fiverr or Upwork or pay per hour. So these are the skills that people are looking for in a social media manager. So what you will get to learn in this course is you will learn how to make original graphical posters, stories and infographics for your client. You will learn how you can manage social platforms like Facebook, Instagram and Twitter or Pinterest, and how you can use different SEO tools to enhance your productivity for these particular platforms. Then we will be talking about how you can set up your own YouTube channel, how easy it is and how you can make professional videos without need of any camera or even any mic, and how you can set up a small studio as well in your home if you want to. Then at the last we will be talking about how you can manage ads if you want to run ads on Facebook or social media platform for your product advertisement, or you want to market something. So we will be seeing how these ads are created, what are the methods in which you can administrate your ads and you can create effective ads. So this is for the social media management course. After social media management we will be moving to search engine optimization and WordPress course. The main aim or the theme of this course is to make you capable of making a complete website or blog for yourself or for your client. We will try to do this thing while taking care that our website or blog do follow good SEO practices so that traffic can come from search engines. For this purpose, we will start the course for introduction to search engine optimization. We will look at various tools that can help us to do our work more effectively. Then we will talk about how to write and develop content for our blog or website, because content is the main heart of any website or blog. Then we will see how domains and setups are linked to your blog or website. Then we will start the blogging or website process. You do not need to know any coding. We will not be doing any coding. It's very easy softwares, and it let you be creative as much as you want to be. We will be looking at WordPress, we will be doing Google Web Designer, we will be doing InVision. And even if you are like a little bit more creative, you can also develop your own apps, mobile apps on Google Web Designer and InVision. We will also be talking about that as well. Then we will talk about Google Analytics, and then we will see how we can optimize our website and our blogs, and then in the end we will talk about audit reports. The next course is Adobe Photoshop. This is a course in which you work with images and graphics. Here are some samples our students have been working on in the last batch. So in Photoshop we will start basically from the very zero level, ground level, and then we will start building up our foundation. We will start from the installation process, then we will start learning about different tools that are in Adobe Photoshop, and then one by one we will start doing some complex projects, and in the end we will choose one of the two specialization. Either we will see how we can enhance pictures that are taken for like photo shoots from weddings, or let's say from some vacations or trips, the pictures that are taken there, how we can enhance them, how we can make proper albums, or how we can create effects into them so we can properly advertise them. Or even you can start your own a little bit of graphic business if you like. And then we will be talking about the other specialization is textile designing. So we will be choosing one of the above. Out of these two topics we will be choosing one specialization. Okay, so how does these courses work? So you all are in WhatsApp group of your required course. So the classes are given live on YouTube and Zoom. Why I am focusing on live classes? Because the classes are designed in such a way that when I will be doing some task, I will prefer that you do the same task along with me. So if there is any problem or any issue, so we can discuss it online, and it can be a learning experience for me and you and all the people that are that have joined us on the online class. So in this way we can share our ideas in online basis, and we can collaborate with each other. So the classes will be given through YouTube or Zoom. In case of YouTube, this is the channel where the classes will be broadcasted on live basis. If you like, you can subscribe to the channel so you can get the notification. Even if you don't do, you will be getting the notification in your WhatsApp channel, WhatsApp group. Then there will be, for important classes, there will be notes which you can download. I will be sharing them in WhatsApp group, or you can even go to the website and you can download them from there as well. Then there's a Facebook page. After every class you will be given a particular assignment related to the task that you have learned in the particular lecture. Then you have to do this assignment. The assignments are very easy, they take like 10 to 15 minutes, and then that assignment, you will just show this assignment or showcase that assignment on a Facebook page that is made for batch 10. The other members can go and see your work, and they can comment on it and tell you what was the good things in your work or assignment and what things need to be improved. So in this way we can give each other feedback, and it literally helps you a lot in learning and improving your work. So I will be giving the Facebook group link down as well. If you like, you can join it. It's up to you totally. So let's see what about the class timings and how it's gonna work. So the orientation for all the batches will be on 22nd April. All the classes will be all the classes will be held in two languages. One will be in English and the other one will be Hindi and Urdu, depending upon your language requirement or the language in which you feel more easy. You can join that particular class. Every lecture or every course will be having 3 lectures almost in a week, and every lecture will be of 30 to 40 minutes. And And now the timing. So what I will be doing is I will be running a quick poll in the groups where you can click, or where you can vote for your preferred time, and then the time slot where the most people are more easy with, or they are free, we will choose that particular time for the classes. Along with the classes, there are revision classes. So if you have missed a particular class, you can join the revision class. The recordings will also be available on YouTube. Also, if I come across this time through on some useful tool or any other website or some other good topic, we do offer workshops as well. They are also free. You can join them as well through your, when you are in the classes. That will also be notified through the WhatsApp group. Another important question that everyone is asking, that are these courses free? Yes, these courses are totally free. There is no registration, no charges, no hidden agenda. It's just for learning experience, so you people can learn from us and we can learn from you. Every batch gives you a chance to learn new things, and you know, when you collaborate with each other, it literally helps you to improve yourself. So this is all. Hope everything is clear. Okay, so what are the required items you for these courses? So of course there is commitment and hard work that would be needed from your side. The next important thing is, would you be needing a laptop, or your smart mobile is enough? For social media management courses, your mobile phone is enough. You can do each and everything from your mobile phone. However, for the WordPress and for the Adobe Photoshop, you should be having a computer or a laptop. In case if there is any question, you are always welcome to ask me on my WhatsApp number. My number is on, I'm admin of almost every group, so you can just message me there, or you can message any admin. They will be more than happy to answer your queries. Other than that, we have also made batch 10 chatting group on WhatsApp. You can join that. There are a lot of people who keep on cross commenting in each other, and they try to help each other. So you can post your question there and they will answer you regarding their own experiences and how they have overcome certain problem that you are facing, or you can just generally chat there. Or you can use the Facebook group. You can send us a message on the chat, or you can just leave a message on the status or something, and we will be answering it as soon as possible. So thank you very much for being here. Still, if you have any question, please do let me know by messaging me on my WhatsApp number, or you can just leave a comment down if you like. That will be okay. So thank you guys, take care.